Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be doing 3 looks with this Kylie Jenner Leopard collection. I wanted to do the 3 looks just to give you guys some ideas on what kind of looks you guys can come up with using this collection. If you guys would like a more thorough review on this collection, click the video card up above and it will take you right to that more thorough review. For those of you who are new, hi, welcome. My name is Norma and I love doing beauty videos. So if those are your type of videos, consider subscribing. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified of upcoming videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So let's begin with the tutorial. And this is the completed look, guys. I'm really loving this first look. Hope you guys like this first look. Now let's move on to the second look. So let's go on to the third and final look. Alright, so I am back with this third and final look. And I really like how this one came out as well. It's a little different from the other two looks. This one's a bit darker, smoky eye, I think. I put some gray and black on the outer corners so that it really gives it that nice smoky look. I had so much fun creating all these looks. I hope you like them. So thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you soon in a different video. Bye.